Advantages. You can use any PC with internet/Wi-Fi to update your league, which means you can update from home, update from work, update from like the local library, or from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone at the lanes after bowling. There are no software licenses to buy for each PC in a household. There are no product keys to deal with. There are no data loss worries since your league is stored on the web. There are no upgrades to buy. Everyone uses the same, most updated version. There's no manual loading of a single-page PDF to a website. Automatic Evelyn creates a multi-page portal in comparison to the single-page PDF. Bowlers can print the weekly sheet from home, thus saving your league on the cost of photocopying. There's no web hosting space to buy for your website. A true website experience gives your bowlers an added interest and perspective toward your league. There are no apps for your users to download to view your league's results. And your bowlers will absolutely love the instantness of the updates should you decide to update your league at the lanes.